How to fix if your Android device keeps freezing. Now, in order to fix this issue, there might be some ways. Now, first of all, you would like to go over your settings application and scroll down to all the way to bottom. And you are gonna get this option of software button. Tap into that and check if you have got any software update available. Just simply check for that, and if there is an update available, just simply update your phone and the problem will most probably be fixed. Now, if this doesn't fix your issue, go back to the main settings page and go to device care. And after going into the device care, tap to optimize now button and it will start to optimize your device for better performance. Then tap to done button and it will help your device work faster and steady manner. Now you would like to go over storage page, and into the storage section it will scan all of the storage for you, and if there is files that you could delete, just simply do that from this page and it will help your phone greatly to work faster. Now, after doing all of these, your phone will definitely start to work a little bit faster. And if this still doesn't fix your issue of slowing down or freezing, you would like to restart your phone. Not the reset, just simply turn off your phone and turn on again. And after that, it will start to work normally. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.